Hello everybody, today I will introduce you about fried pork. How to make it very easy. Now, the ingredients to make it include 400 gram baked peanut pork. Should not select peanut side pork because after frying can be tough. Remember it. Other celery, carrots, white cabbage, purple cabbage, cucumber, ruffle flour, eggs, plain flour, seasoning seeds, chili sauce, dry vinegar, soy sauce, and mayonnaise Lisa, and some spice. First, heating the oil pan. Next, slice celery. Baked peanut pork is washed and cut 1 cm thick. After, using hammer or knife to do tender pork. You must remember, baked peanut pork must be tender by hammer or knife. After that, weaving pork mix, seasoning seeds, pepper, salt, a little sugar, and certainly have soy sauce. And mix. Wait from 10 to 15 minutes. Do you know what to do? Break eggs. First, we put pork through plain flour, after eggs, and ruffle flour. Now everything is ready. You can test hot oil by a little ruffle flour. We stir fry about 2 or 3 minutes is enough. Now I make soy sauce for this dish. 4 spoon mayonnaise Lisa. Turn over. And now this sauce have finished and look beautiful. It had cooked already. Put out the dish. The pork is too big. We can eat right. Yes, let it cool a bit and then slice into bite-sized pieces. How do you feel? We need strain mayonnaise about attractive. And is served with salad and raw vegetable. Easy food bring style yellow and easy to cook. Now, let's enjoy it. It's so crunchy, pork is tender, and mayonnaise is sour and greasy. It's so yummy. Thank you.